Malay architecture is greatly affected by climate and weather. Hence, the Malay traditional houses are always raised on timber stilts or elevated to protect from flood. Roof of these houses are typically pitched and have wide overhangs for shade. The construction of Malay traditional houses uses lightweight materials which has a low thermal capacity to keep the house cool. Open layout plan is adapted in allowing an easy passage of air and cross ventilation. The Janda Bike Forest in Malaysia is a great place to be active with its backpacking trails and mild climate. Janda Bike is a small village in Malaysia that retains its natural rainforest surroundings. The deck house by Chu Jim Wa sits on a hill that offers its occupants a luxurious escape from the bustling cities. Janda Bike, with such a nature-rich location, it is only apt that the design takes full advantage and offers maximum access to the serene and peaceful surroundings. Completed in 2012 with a built-up area of 370 square meter, the deck house implement an open plan concept through the building. This layout plan derived from the Malay vernacular architecture. The purpose of this layout is to allow the efficient natural cross ventilation with the minimal walls around the interior spaces. The deck house adapted this vernacular element to the building in order to provide the maximum of cross ventilation and also the natural light into the spaces. Besides, louvers are also designed on top at the higher part of the building for ventilation. This small openings is acting as an outlet to discharge the hot air rises during stack ventilation process while circulating cool air from outside into the house. Large openings and windows provide natural light into the spaces. The aluminium louvers integrated not only protect the interior space from excessive heat, it also allowing excellent air and air exchange. The ceiling were designed high enough for allowing stack ventilation to occur. It helps to create thermal pressure differences in the volume of space and generate circulation of air inside the dwelling. Pitched roof was used for this house to provide a better ventilation for the interior space. Although the roof added some height for the house and disadvantage for strong winds, overhang roof was added to help control glares. Extended eaves provide good protection from direct sunlight and rain. The similarities between traditional and contemporary deck house can be seen where climate and site conditions are being well considered. The height in the structure, the use of pitched roof, extended eaves. The building is elevated that built on the stilts, preventing absorption of moistures from the ground to building structure, protect occupants from animal attack and flooding, and also provide privacy for the occupants from the eye-level view. Since the building was built on a sloppy hill, cantilevered deck was built as an outdoor space that helps to connect the user with outdoor surrounding view. This Malay traditional house uses a light materials such as timber for construction. However, the deck house mainly uses timber and aluminium zinc because of low thermal storage capacity and high insulation storage. In constructing the deck house, the materials used are aluminium louvers, steel and glass, timber, and reinforced concrete. In a nutshell, deck house was designed adapted by the basic requirements of a traditional Malay house design, taking a high consideration of the natural environment, contextual experience, and also weather and climate conditions. The deck house was climatically designed, flooded by natural environment, integrating with a nature context surrounding it, providing a good thermal comfort to occupants by using various applications of shading in design while blending in with the surrounding local context.